First off, proper form can help shield you from harm. Your joints, tendons, and ligaments are under less strain when you exercise with perfect form, which lowers your chance of injury. Also, you can prevent muscle sprains and strains by adopting proper posture. Second, using proper form makes sure you are efficiently targeting the desired muscle groups. You are applying the right amount of tension to the muscles you want to work by employing perfect form. As a result, you may maximize the effectiveness of your workouts and achieve greater outcomes. Thirdly, maintaining good form enhances your performance as a whole. Depending on the type of workout you are doing, you can lift more weight, run faster, or leap higher when you utilize proper technique. This may make it easier for you to reach your fitness objectives. Finally, proper form contributes to the development of positive habits that can be applied to other facets of your life. You may learn to maintain appropriate posture and alignment throughout the day when you practice proper form in the gym. This can enhance your general health and avoid chronic problems like back discomfort. In conclusion, proper form is essential when exercising since it reduces the risk of injuries, effectively targets the targeted muscle groups, enhances general performance, and creates positive habits that last throughout your daily life. You may maximize your exercises and more effectively reach your fitness objectives by paying attention to your form when exercising.